Today was a win. Wait until I show you what I've got. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Welcome back to The Courage to Restore. In episode 1, we fully deconstructed the Curio cabinet, cleaned the piece, and completed the initial sanding. Today, we're moving into surface repair and primer. I didn't get this portion on video, but for the repair of the veneer, I used wood bondo to fill the areas where the veneer had bubbled and lifted. Once applied, the bondo will be sanded smooth so the surface is level and ready for finishing. The goal is to create a surface that disappears into the rest of the piece once painted. After the final scuff sand, I used a tack cloth to remove any dust or particles left on the surface. This step is essential before spraying primer. Before priming, I taped off the mirrored back panel inside the cabinet to protect from overspray. Again, the primer that I use today is the Rust-Oleum Spray Primer in gray. Because I'll be finishing the piece in a darker color, a gray primer provides a better base coat and helps the final color achieve full coverage. When you're using spray primer or even using a spray painter, you want to apply the primer or the paint in light, even passes. This helps prevent drips, ensures the primer dries smoothly. Once the first coat of primer dries, it typically reveals areas that may need additional attention. Primer has a way of exposing small imperfections that weren't visible before. So be sure to check the area. If needed, I'll apply additional bondo to correct those areas. With the surface smooth and primed, it's time for color. I used my Wagner Flexio 5000. From curbside to restored. Staging the piece can help visualize how a piece will look inside someone else's home. Restoration is about seeing potential where others see the end, and sometimes the best pieces are waiting just down the street.